Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Simple recipes, easy to make. Today we're going to make a very simple and refreshing salad with shrimp and rice noodles. This is a recipe inspired by a salad we like at a local Vietnamese restaurant. Let's get started. I have 6 shrimp, cleaned, deveined, and that's a portion the restaurant gives us, right? And 1 lamb, cut in half. Set aside. And we use the cilantro for garnish. And I need some cucumber. Cut the end, and cut into slices. That should be enough. And then we cut into thin strips. About tablespoon sesame oil. And about a teaspoon sugar. I'm sorry, it's a teaspoon. And soy sauce. About 1.5 tablespoons. Vinegar, rice vinegar. About another tablespoon. Fish sauce. Here's the fish sauce. We need 2 teaspoons. This is 1. About 2. Some water to dilute it. And lamb juice. I already boiled pot of water. Let's cook our shrimp. Will take about 2 to 3 minutes. About 2 minutes. Let's take out the shrimp. And into ice water. Now we're cooking our rice noodles. It's about 3 ounces. Let's just cook about 2 minutes. So our noodles are almost ready. Let's take out the shrimp out of ice water. Now take out the noodles. Into ice water we go. Get rid of excess water. Into the bowl we go. Now let's assemble our salad. Some cilantro. I don't mind cilantro anymore. It's really great flavor, right? Give it a mix. Now mix it. Wow. Cheers.
Cheers. Wow. Thunderstorm out there.
I know. The noodles is very elastic, right?
Wow.
So if you don't have rice noodles or rice sticks access, you can also use vermicelli. Let's try the shrimp.
Wow. Shrimp. So delicious.
Please try to make it so simple. Ingredients also very simple. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.